Star Lesson 4. Lesson 4, Understanding Voice Microsoft Lesson 4.
Voice Microsoft Lesson 4.
Voice Microsoft Lesson 4, Understanding Focus Lesson 4, Understanding Focus and Navigation. Want NVDA to read the right thing at the right time? In this lesson, you'll learn what focus is, how NVDA follows it, and how to pause typing so you can read the screen. Hey, it's Norman, the blind guy with a vision. If NVDA ever feels confusing or unpredictable, this lesson will make things click. Understanding focus. Focus is where your keyboard is working right now. Wherever the focus is, that is where your typing and actions go. NVDA usually reads whatever has focus. When focus moves, NVDA follows it automatically. For example, when you press the Tab key, focus moves forward. It may land on a button, a link, or a text box. NVDA speaks that item because it now has focus. If you press Enter, NVDA activates whatever has focus. System focus and navigation. System focus is controlled by your keyboard. Keys like Tab, Shift plus Tab, arrow keys, and Enter move focus. When you are inside a text box, the arrow keys move the text cursor. They do not move you around the page. If you press the up arrow inside a search box, NVDA reads text inside the box. It does not read instructions above the box. How to get out of a text box? When you want to leave a text box, stop typing. Press Tab to move forward. Press Shift plus Tab to move backward. NVDA will announce the new item. If Tab does not work on a web page, press Tab or Shift. If Tab does not work on a web page, press Escape first. Then press Tab or Shift plus Tab. Understanding reading without typing. Understanding reading without typing. Sometimes you need to read instructions or text near a form field. To do this, you must stop interacting with the text box. This is done by switching to browse mode. Reading above a text box using browse mode while your focus may still be on the text box, you are no longer typing in it. Hold the NVDA key. Press the spacebar. NVDA switches to browse mode. Your keyboard now reads the page instead of typing. You can safely explore the content. Press the up arrow key to read the line above the text box. Press the down arrow key to move forward again. When you are ready to type again, press NVDA plus space. This returns you to typing in the text box. Understanding the review cursor. The review cursor is another way to explore without activating anything. It works best in programs and dialogues, not web pages. The review cursor lets you read text line by line or word by word. It does not change focus or activate controls. This is useful for checking messages, labels, or screen layout. Finding out where you are. NVDA gives you simple commands to stay oriented. Hold the NVDA key and press T. NVDA tells you the page or window title. Hold the NVDA key and press Tab. NVDA tells you what currently has focus. These commands help you recover quickly if you feel lost. Which navigation to use as a beginner? Use System Focus to move and work. Use Tab and Shift plus Tab to navigate. Use browse mode to read around web pages. Use the review cursor to explore safely in apps. Common beginner mistakes. A common mistake is expecting arrow keys to move focus. Inside a text box, arrow keys only move the text cursor. Another mistake is thinking NVDA is broken. Most of the time, NVDA is just in a different mode. Practice activity. Open a web page with a search box. Move focus into the search box and type one word. Press NVDA plus space to stop typing and read the page. Press the up arrow to read instructions above the box. Press NVDA plus space again to return to typing. Listen to how NVDA changes behavior. Next lesson preview. In the next lesson, we'll cover essential keyboard keys every screen reader user must know. You'll learn how Tab, arrow keys, Enter, Escape, Control, and Alt work together with NVDA. Screen sharing meeting.